Oh, it sure did. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Holy moly. Oh, good grief.
Yeah, that's. I can be pretty tender sometimes. Let that kind of set in.
Alright.
Give me a little pressure, alright?
Ah.
Okay.
Oh, good grief.
Nice and relaxed.
Ah. Ow. Oh, goodness gracious. Ah. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh. Are you done?
Not quite.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, good grief. Ah. Ah. Man, oh man. Okay. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah. Oh my gosh.
Hands in here. Put some pressure in here.
Ah. Oh my good. Oh my gosh. Oh God. I don't know if I can handle this. Seriously, I can take a lot of pain, but this is way too much. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my goodness sakes. Ah.
Deep breath.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh my God.
Try to get as much out of it like you can. You're doing great. It hurting?
No.
Yeah. No.
That was the worst pain of my life. They just pulled this out of my knee, my artificial knee. They stuck that damn syringe in my leg really deep, really hard. I really don't know how women give birth. I told them if they ever had to do that again, I'm getting an epidural. I mean, I don't know. That was crazy. Now I gotta go take it to the lab. It's disgusting. Look at all that. It's still hot, fresh on my body.